everyone, myself Mopriya. I am working as a subject matter expert in CorporatesGuide. In this today's session, my topic is how to working with Spring Data JPA. So firstly, our need to application installation. Okay. So first one is STS, means Spring Tool Shoot, and another one is XAMPP. So Spring Tool Shoot is a IDE and XAMPP is a server. Okay. Then when you complete your installation process, then you go to Google Chrome. Okay, and here you search it Spring Initializer. Okay. This is a website. Through this website, we can create a production ready project. Okay, which is called Spring project. Okay, so it take some times. See this website. Here you choose this project is Maven project, and Java language is as well as it is as. Then Spring Boot version is 3. Okay, then this is a project name. You can change this if you want to change this project, like student crude. Okay, and choose this jar package and Java version 11, and then here you see this add dependency. So this is a important. Here you choose this Spring Data JPA. Okay, this is a dependency. Here you see this dependency Spring Data JPA. This is help to process data in SQL stores. Okay, you choose this dependency. Another choose Spring Web. This is the most useful. With the help of Spring Web dependency, we can build web including RESTful application. Using a Spring MVC uses Apache Tomcat as the default embedded container. Okay, so another one you must select here, like MySQL. This is a database. Okay, this is a MySQL driver JDBC. With the help of JDBC, we create a project, short project. Then you generate this and create a zip file. So here I don't generate because I already created a project. Okay, I just open STS, means Spring Tool Shoot. So this is a Spring Tool Shoot IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. You can also use Eclipse or IntelliJ IDEA. So here you see this is a project name which I created, student group. So I try to showing something like this project. I just show you. Look at this. So I try to showing something like this. Okay, so this is a page, HTML page, and when you click this add new, it's another. Okay, make sure your internet is on. Look at this. This is another HTML page. So our short project is something like this type. Okay, so I will show you how to create one by one. I Firstly you click on this, and here you see this is a main Java part, and inside this main Java we create 4 package, which is controller package, domain package, repository package, and another last one is service package. Okay, and inside these packages we created 4 class, which is controller.java, domain.java, repository.java, and service.java. Okay, so those all are class. Okay, and like this class we write some program. Okay, and here you see this is an annotation. We mustly import this annotation. Okay, so here we create any type of message, return, public string, this is a method. Okay, string type method, and delete student, another type of method I created inside this controller.java. And here this inside this domain or student.java we create something like this. Firstly create 4 variables like id, student name, course fees, anything. Okay, and then we generate this all method and all variable. Then you see this repository. Inside this repository class we use repository annotation and imported this annotation. And last one is service.java. So inside this class we create some methods and some return message. Okay, then main thing is created index.html part. Inside this resource src main resources templates folder we created those HTML part. So here I use this Bootstrap, CSS and JavaScript link. Bootstrap is used for framework, the CSS JS framework, and also new HTML. So here I also use this Bootstrap, and here you see this is a form HTML part, everything. And last one is this is a main part, which is application.properties. Inside, with the help of JDBC we are connect this MySQL database localhost, and this is a database name which I have created, and this is a port number. Okay, and use this MySQL username, password, everything. And then this project we can run. So here you see this is a main part of Java, means main method in Java. So here I choose this and right click on this, run this program, go to run as, then Java application. Here you see this project is running. Spring Boot, and it's running. You see this version name. Okay, and here you see this Tomcat server is running, which port number is 8082. Okay, then I go to another most thing. You open some application. Here you see the XAMPP application. Open case, and here you start those action, which is Apache and MySQL. Then you go to admin and then create a database. In this database we create a table, and inside this table we create rows. Okay, so I already created that. It's master. Okay, now it's opening. You see the mail HP admin. Okay, actually XAMPP server is mostly used for PHP. Okay, here you see this ABC school. So here ABC school is a database. I already created that, and inside this database I created a student table, which I already created that. You just see, and inside this student I created four column, which is I course fee student name. Okay, so now I run this program in Chrome. So at the time I run this program, so here I write localhost and then clone. Then here this is a port number, which is 8082. Here you see this 8082. Okay, so here localhost colon and then write 8082, then enter this and see. So see this page, and firstly you go to add new. Here you write any name like John and post like Java. No. Okay, like software developer, and salary like 50,000. Okay, and submitted this. Here you see this is ID, the name, post, salary, and another two option, which is edit and delete. If you want to edit this name, you also do that. So click on just edit option, and here you change this name like Raja. Okay, so then submitted this. See, this employee name is changed. Okay, if you want to delete this also, you can delete. See, okay, another time we imported this like John, like Java developer, and salary like 40,000. Then submitted this. Another time sees. Okay, so then you see this site, which is PHP admin, and here you refresh it. Okay, when you refresh it, here you see this page on 4,000 Java developer 12. Everything is here. When you input any data, any value, save this, which is saved in this server. Server or not, the database part. Data server. Okay, so with the help of Spring Data JPA, what can I do? So firstly, know that what is Spring Data JPA. Okay, in Spring Data JPA, or JPA stands for Java Persistence API. Okay. So before looking into that, we must know about ORM, means Object Relational Mapping. Okay. So object relational mapping is simply the process of persisting any Java object directly into a database table. Okay. Usually the name of the object being persisted becomes the name of the table, and each field within that object becomes a column. With the table setup each row corresponds to a record in the application. Hibernate is one of example of ORM. Okay, so JPA is not a framework. JPA is the interface, while Hibernate is the implementation. Okay, Java Persistence API provides a specification for persisting, reading, and managing data from your Java object to your relational tables in the database. Here we use MySQL database. Okay, so JPI specifies the set of rules and guidelines for developing interfaces that follow standards. Okay, straight to the point. JPA is just guidelines to implement ORM, and there is no underlying code for the implementation. Spring Data JPA is part of the Spring framework. The goal of Spring Data repository abstraction is to significantly reduce the amount of boilerplate code required to implement a data access layer for various persistence. Spring Data JPA is not a JPA provider. It is a library framework that adds an extra layer of abstraction on the top of our JPA provider line Hibernate. Okay, so that's all about Spring Data JPA. That's all for today's session. Okay, so please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and hope you have a great day.